when you choose to join the armed forces, you have actually thought of the best in life. What Army taught me is to strive for excellence, and you can't taste success unless you give your best shot. प्रिय शौर्यवीर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं कि आपने शौर्य भारत ऐप को चुना है अपने डिफेंस फोर्सेस की तैयारी के लिए। हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम आपके लिए बेहतरीन वीडियो कंटेंट लेके आए हैं। शौर्य भारत ऐप के माध्यम से हम आपको वचन देते हैं गुणवत्तापूर्ण पाठ्य सामग्री एवं अनुभवी फैकल्टीज द्वारा तैयार किए गए वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स का। तो जुड़िए शौर्य भारत ऐप की दुनिया से। जय हिंद।
Hello everyone, this video is brought to you by Shaurya Bharat. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. So gentlemen, today we will discuss on the topic how coronavirus has affected the world. As we all know that corona outbreak was seen in November 2019 in China, but it was taken very lightly by every nation. But later on, it started spreading all over the world through the people who were traveling to China and many other countries. And it spreaded to India, and in March we had a lockdown started, and till date the lockdown has been running because we haven't got the cure of coronavirus, that is the vaccine. Vaccine is the only cure. But before the discovery or innovation of vaccine, we have also some of the cures like wearing mask and using sanitizer. So we all know that the mask is the new normal nowadays. Earlier we were not using mask generally, but now everyone has to wear the mask. We all know that the studies of students, the researchers, the colleges, the hospitals have been affected so badly that we are not able to move on in life. We are not able to see new things and learn new things in life. So we will discuss on this topic today. But before that, we shall start with the personal introduction session.
My name is Manish. I live in Jodhpur district. I have passed 12th class. At present time, I am pursuing BSc second year from Jain Vyas University, Jodhpur. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is very respectful job in our country. And the Indian Air Force provide all opportunity for a person lifestyle and serve the nation. Today, now I am going about this topic, impact of coronavirus on world. The coronavirus is a pandemic in world.
My name is Ajay Kumar Sharma. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Jodhpur is famous for Banana Fort. I completed my 10th plus 2 in 2018 from RP School with Ashik team in Hindi medium from government school. My strength is that I have a positive attitude. I want to join Indian Air Force because I was inspired by an airman's lifestyle and personality. Second reason is that in that job not only reservation and discrimination. When I come on the topic which is given to us, that is COVID-19 effect on world. COVID-19 is a respiratory systems disease which is born in Wuhan city of China in December 2019. The World Health Organization declared it a pandemic on March 2020. Problem is that it's not any vaccine or drugs is available in the market. Many of the organizations, hospitals and companies are working for the invention of the vaccine and drugs. Its impact on the world is that it's destroy completely our economy, our education system, our health system, tourism system, etc. By which all over the world is suffering badly. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jain sir, my name is Kamal Godara. I come from Nagpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Kamal Shimarang Godara. He is a farmer and my mother is homemaker. I passed class 10th with 90% and 12th with 94% from RBS board. And in present, I am currently pursuing BSc from MDSC University. My hobbies are interacting with new people and playing volleyball. I want to join Indian Air Force because Indian Air Force provides a respectful and adventureful life, and I will have to work with the world's best technology and the dignity of blue uniform. Now I am going to talking about the today's GD topic, impact of coronavirus on the world. First corona case was found in China Wuhan share on 17 November 2019, and the WHO announced the COVID-19 pandemic on 11 March 2020. The coronavirus badly affected in the all over sector like economy, political, education, information and technology, geographical and many more sectors. There are some impact of coronavirus on economy due to lack of customers and workers. Almost all industrial areas goes down, and the all tourism, sports and channels will become closed because of its our GDP is brought down. And the Indian government said that in 2020's first 3 months our GDP down at 18%, and 2021 our GDP grows down 23.9%. And when all over the world found that the coronavirus come from China, all over the world's countries like USA and Russia blamed China, and it is the cause of badly conversation between the countries, and it badly affected our education systems, research sources, colleges and many more.
My name is Bhaskar Sisodia. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Ramkumar Sisodia and he is officer in Punjab National Bank. I scored 82% in my 10th class and 76% in my 12th class, and I done both from RBS board. And currently I am pursuing bachelor's in computer application. I like to play badminton, skipping and chess. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will provide us the opportunity to work with the world's most advanced and high-tech equipment, arms and aircraft. And I also love the dignity of the uniform, and it will also express my feeling of patriotism, and it's my childhood dream. So let's come to our today's topic. The first let us discuss what is COVID-19. COVID-19 stands for coronavirus disease, which was found in 2019. The first case of COVID-19 was discovered in Wuhan on December 2019. It affected more than 70 million people all over the world, and it also affected the whole world, not only physically but mentally, economically and politically, as it has various effects on in each field, where it's tourism or movement of people are also banned, and crude oil price also dropped, and not only affected badly people, but many companies like pharmaceutical companies and hygiene product manufacturing companies and or many other companies were also benefited due to this virus. And at last we should have to maintain hygiene and maintain social distancing to spread the virus, as there is no officially vaccine been announced which can cure it 100%. So it's our duty to wear mask, sanitize and maintain social distance. Thank you.
My name is Yasin Joel. I belong to Nagaur. My father name is Jairam Joel. He is in army. My mother is a housemaker. I did my 10th with 77% from RPSC board and 12th with 86% from RPSC board. I love to play cricket and kabaddi. I want to join IF because I love the dignity of uniform, and it's also provide a respectful and adventurous life. It is the only dream of my life.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Jabasingh Chindawat. I was born and brought up in Rajsamand. I completed my schooling from Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya Rajsamand, which is CBSE based school. I competed in many school level volleyball and kho games. I was in Scout and Guide from class 7 to class 9. Thereafter I was in NCC for 2 years. I love to read mythological book and comics books. Amish Tripathi is my favorite mathematician. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform. I like the courage and discipline in Indian Armed Force person. Indian Air Force also provides good, respectful and adventurous lifestyle. So let's come to today's over topic is effect of COVID-19 on the world. So as you all know, COVID-19 was found in Wuhan, China. It is very deadly virus which is spread by air. So because of COVID-19, many countries put restriction and started lockdown because they wanted to reduce the number of COVID-19 patients and reduce the spread of COVID. So because of which many our economy hit very badly, and in 2020 global economy went -3% due to COVID. Because of lockdown, many businesses were shuttered. So people in large amount got unemployed. In which people who work on daily wages are more in number. So global poverty rate, which was reducing in past few years, got increased in 2020. In tourism sector also, when people stop traveling from one country to another country, so countries like Italy, whose main economy depended on tours and traveling, those economy hit very badly. And last, I want to say that since restriction of lockdown is lifted, but we have to be very careful since situation will take time to normalize, and it is now very uncertain when the vaccine will arrive and distributed worldwide.
My name is Lakshman. I belong to Nagaland. My father's name is Nevaram. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Kamala Devi. She is a housewife. And I completed my 10th and 12th class from RBC board, and my hobby is playing cricket and watching TV. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream. And in Indian Air Force gives many opportunities and best technologies in this globe. So, thanks. Today's our given topics: the impact of coronavirus on the world. We can say that it is a natural disaster on the globe. It is the first case of only in December in 2019 in the China citizen Wuhan. We can say that there are first time in the lockdowns also in China, and after that there are situation is continuously good, and after that in first case of in India in March 2020, and after the lockdown continues, there are many effects of due to coronavirus. We can say that economics and education and more technologies and more and more effective for there are many poor people who belongs to slumbers, and we can say that it is more effective. But there are, we can say, some positive effects, few positive effects. We can say there are also improve the online educations and food delivery in Zomato's and Swiggy's and also improve, and there are more and more very effective, but few effective, few effective good for but we can say that we will be improved for this corona. We will be improved from this coronavirus, and we will be best from the recover will be from the coronavirus in next 2 and 3 months. Thanks for listening.
My name is Dixit Rajpuri. My father's name is Srinagaram Rajpuri. I am from Jalore. I got 89% in 10th and 87% in 12th. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc BA degree from JNU Jodhpur. And I used to watch the sci-fi movies and horror movies from Bollywood and Hollywood, and also like to do gardening in my home. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love aircraft and its divine and dignitable blue uniform. And it also gives me a chance to work with world's best technologies. And it's also gives me a good adventures and social lifestyle. Now I am presenting my views on today's topic, which is effect of coronavirus on world. The first case of coronavirus was found in November 2019 in Wuhan city of China, and the disease that caused by this virus is named as COVID-19. Many people from many countries who visit to Wuhan for their business or any other reasons help this virus to spread in all over the world. And currently, US and India have the largest number of active cases in their countries. And every country take many actions to restrict the spreading of this virus, like lockdown, shelter in home, stay in home, and many other actions. And this virus also causes many harmful effects on agriculture and small businesses. Many persons who earn in debt and spend got very affected by this virus. And this virus is also become very helpful for most helpful for India, because India sent hydroxyl chloroquine to more than 100 countries in all over the world. In the return, many countries like US, Israel, Italy sent modern and latest models of ventilators to India as a gift. And thank you.
And sir, my name is Satish Kumar, my father name is Vijay Prasad, I belong to Jodhpur. I did my 10th with 85 and 12th with 89%, both from RBSC. My hobbies are to play cricket and listening music. I want to join Air Force because I want to serve the nation, and my parents also want to see me in Air Force uniform. I love the dignity of uniform, and I will have to work with the world-class technology. And I have also provided a respectful and adventurous life. So today's our GD topic is impact of coronavirus on world. The coronavirus was first found in Wuhan in December 2019. Because of coronavirus, 1.7 million people have died, and it's 74.1 approximately people have affected by this virus. There are so many bad impacts of this virus on the global. The people have lost their lives, and the people have lost their job also. Due to this virus, economists suggest that India, Bangladesh, and Vietnam has a growing economies, and they have good chances to grow their economies because other countries want to reduce their dependency on China, and these countries can improve their export to other countries and become a growing economy. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Pratap Singh. I am from Mandir, Rajasthan. My father's name is Narendra Singh. He is a farmer. I completed my 12th with 62% and 10th with 78% from RBC. My hobbies are to play kabaddi, cricket, and kushti also. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream, and I love the dignity of uniform, and I love the aircrafts. The Air Force motto "Touch the sky with glory" is enough itself to join Indian Air Force because each word in this motto filled with inspiration and honor. Let's come on the topic. Today our topic is effect of coronavirus on human lifestyle. The COVID-19 pandemic started from Wuhan city, China. The pandemic has led a dramatic loss to public health worldwide.
Hello friends, my name is Mahipal Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name Deepak Chaudhary. He is a farmer. My mother's name Janna Devi. She is a housewife. My hobby is to play cricket and football, and also help my mother in household chores in my free time. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform, and it's my childhood dream to become an airman. It gives a honorable and a respectful life. Thank you.
My name is Dhruvi. I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Dhruvi. He is a farmer. We are teaching him. I got 10 with 86% and 12 with 81% from RBSC. My hobbies are to read pathological events and to play volleyball and crossword puzzles. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform, and everyone is equally important in Air Force. And also my parents want to see me with uniform. Thank you. So let's come to the topic. Today is my topic, impacts of coronavirus on the world. As we know that coronavirus outbreak is an infectious disease fueled by the new virus. First time reported at Wuhan in China in 31 December 2019. Several countries have resorted the lockdown protocol to reduce the coronavirus effect. largely we have got the many impacts, negative and but some extent to show that positive impacts of coronavirus pandemic. First of all, I want to say that during the COVID-19 pandemic, economical growth rate reduced and unemployment rate decreased by the 26% and 20 crore people lost their job and 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 positive impacts of the coronavirus like is that during the COVID-19 many institutions have got the online education system and during the COVID-19 Prime Minister started the Atmanirbhar Bharat app innovation in which many Chinese have banned.
So, gentlemen, we are gathered here to discuss on the topic impact of coronavirus on the world. As we all know that coronavirus has affected drastically to everyone's life, and we all are suffering from the lockdown as well as many of people have been died and are suffering from coronavirus disease right now. India is on the second. India is the topmost country with the most cases in coronavirus, and in our capital Delhi has the highest number of cases in all over India. So, as you know that coronavirus is being such a biggest tragic pandemic of all the time. So I want you to discuss on this topic. I want to give the solution that how we can prevent coronavirus and how we can fight coronavirus as well. I also want you to discuss on the history and the symptoms of coronavirus. I also want you to discuss on the effects of coronavirus on environment, on public, on people, jobs, economy, political effects as well. So you may start your group discussion.
Now very well introduced yesterday for starting the group discussion. I want to say that my opinion on the effect of corona on the economic condition. As the World Trade Organization said that China is the biggest exporter and importer of all over the world. Many factories are dependent on the China's industry and companies. They have lockdown also, or many industries is the closed.
Species of virus which affects animals and humans also. The first case was discovered in 1960.
This is the major due to the loss
And COVID-19 is an upgraded form of this due to which first case discovered in Wuhan city of China in December 2019. And the WHO declared this as a global epidemic and applied and declared it as an global emergency, global health emergency, due to which many countries put in lockdown and applied many restrictions.
When Chinese doctors and engineers are researchers on many biological virus and other equipments, then in a survey it is found that coronavirus is a manufacturing by some of equipments, temperatures, and many other things. So it will be used in the future as a bioweapon. But unluckily it was leaked information and it spread in all over the world and ruined many people's life.
all over the world known that it's been expected from the one city of China. But there will some issue will be happened with our China from border issue. From that they also that
I agree with my friend that this virus spread in all over the world. But this was initiated in Wuhan, China. But in a span of only few days or few weeks, it was totally controlled in Wuhan. But it spread drastically all over the world, which was also thinking that this was a strategy of China that for spreading this virus so that everyone can become economically weak and with China will dominate.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend. As we see, there are many examples and many officers from China reported that when WHO नेक्स्ट एक कमेटी को जांच करने के लिए कमेटी बनाई थी जब that it is true or it is false that the virus is linked from Wuhan lab. The China made artificial rain in the month of March in Wuhan city and that rain causes the flood in Wuhan and all labs and shops are restricted in this flood. So he can so no one can interrogate in this and also this COVID-19 also some
COVID-19 pandemic tell us we are how much developed in medical science and food and provide nutrition food to every people.
I appreciate my friend as you mentioned if this epidemic opened the eyes of every country all over the world that they should have to be ready or prepared to fight this type of epidemic in future. So they are all thinking that our medical facilities are quite enough to handle any of the disease or like epidemic.
Yes, I want to say about my views on the effect of COVID-19 on education. Education system was completely destroyed in that many of the students is removed from college and schools.
Yes, my friend. China always been a superpower in Asia and the world also. So that's why also we are a great talk for that if we flew a virus in all over the world, that may be a weaker section. And main focus of the China is to be in India because India is been hand to hand with the China, always be in a powerful.
Our government started Atmanirbhar Bharat innovation in which many Chinese have.
Yes, I am agree with you. Yeah, I am agree with you, my friend Vipal. But please complete first thing and continue there. Yes, I agree with you, friend. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we saw that our economic level growth down and the domestic violence in our society growth level high. It is a nervous point of our society. So we have to solve this problem by taking care of maintaining social distance, very fast and invention.
Reduced to 3%. It is before the corona it was more than 8%, but now it is reduced to 3%.
Yes, I
We have to.
Yes, I agree with you. Not only for India, the GDP is increasing all over the world. Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I want to further add, in my opinion, unemployment rate increased by 26% and 22 people are lost their job and GDP decreased to 6% to 3%.
I agree with what I said on that. They were affected like Delhi compared to other cities. The migration of their also being restricted. Tourism also can be from the huge loss in GDP also.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you, but some extent shows the positive impact like during the COVID-19 pandemic, our Prime Minister led the Chinese and
Yes, I agree with you.
I want to further add to you. The Chinese apps and but also the environment situation also will improve.
Yes, as we see, COVID-19 had very bad effect on economy, students, and many other things, but it has very good effect on environment because of many factories shut down. We didn't allow people to drive here and there from either because there was lockdown in all over the world. So environment has very good effect on them.
Yes, this government responsibility of public citizen and the foreign country people has brought in Vande Bharat mission and other wise lockdown and separate citizens.
Yes,
Many.
I agree with friends. Let's complete from let the
Okay, let it complete first. Very well. Yes.
Yes.
If you see
Before
the-
COVID-19 pandemic, India used a lot of Chinese game. But during the COVID-19 pandemic and in a survey, it is found that Indian people's personal information come out from China.
Which is very harmful for integrity and humanity. So that's why government
What is COVID-19? What is Chinese app? Yes, yes.
COVID-19 also lacks many harmful impact on lands, but it also a beneficial impact that railway have many works who cannot you can't complete with when all trains are moving on tracks regularly. But when lockdown happened, then every trains are stopped. Railway maintain every bridges and other many works who are pending, and also it's provided many other ways like online education and other ways so that students who are not able to go to bigger city for education can learn from their home on social media or YouTube like other educational apps, and it also helps in environment like we see many pictures that people are from Punjab, Dharamsala, Himalaya from there, and rivers also got cleaned. Who industries and government can't clean in many years. The rivers also got cleaned in just 4 and 5 days.
In my opinion, COVID-19 pandemic greatly affected our society. But we can now reduce its spread and cover it by wearing masks, using sanitizer, and maintaining social distancing. And nowadays, recently, Russia discovered a vaccine of Pfizer. It will also reduce the spread of COVID-19. And after this pandemic, India is emerging like a hub of workers because of many research, many works and other industries down during lockdown. but after it, all over the all over people, almost people found their job. So
Yeah, but I totally agree.
In my conclusion, we can say that not only India, we can say there are also all over the world saying impact of the coronavirus. We can say that on societies and education and also we can say colleges and schools also impact. So with that, there are many. We can say that few there are good impact. We can say in environment and online education and also it good for this during the COVID-19. So finally conclusion, we can say that we should be improve the Indian government and there are we can say that medicine, hydroxychloroquine or also provides all other countries it is more effective and finally conclusion finally we can say it is good for India and world.
In my conclusion, I want to say that now is the time for global solidarity and support, especially in the most vulnerable in our society, particularly in the emerging and developing countries.
Thank you. So in my conclusion, I want to say that since every country is lifting, since every country is lifting lockdown, so they can restart their economy, but we have to be careful and wise because the situation will take time to recover. And we have to be more careful since the uncertainty of vaccine to arrive in India and distributed all over India.
In my final conclusion of coronavirus is mostly effect of education, health and rural areas employment. The government should responsibility rural area employment Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan launch and provide benefits of rural area employers. And finally, the vaccine trial Oxford and many other medical running trial and social distancing and most
After hearing to all of the views, I want to say that coronavirus, no doubt coronavirus is the harmful and
due to the COVID-19 impact.
I want to say that COVID-19 is the harmful. It completely destroyed economical, political and statistical conditions. But it was productive for our environment. Because of lockdown and coronavirus, all factories, transportation is closed and our air pollution and noisy pollution and water pollution is decreased. Thank you.
Our life should be in a drastic manner because the agriculture workers are also being indicated to be poverty line and unauthorized MSN before. So we must rethink about our environment. If we give our nature, then nature will give same things of us. So we must be careful and aware of the several diseases which are caused by the viruses and influence, all etc. things. Thank you.
After this, my conclusion is that we know that coronavirus epidemic is in infectious disease. Many ongoing impacts of coronavirus in epidemic like cash flow, stock market and GDP and economical market demand is reduced. And also I want to say about the youth generation is also affected by the corona epidemic. Thank you.
I want to conclude our today's degree as almost everyone was affected by this COVID-19 and still it's affecting our life, our daily life, as there is no vaccine which is not discovered, which can fully 100% can cure this disease. COVID-19 affected many sectors like tourism, economic and stock market as well. As stock market shifted towards this, from Asia to Europe and North America, due to which the price of dollar, yen and gold also increases, and crude oil's price also decreased, and there are to safeguard its people. The government of all countries have provided many guidelines to be aware to how can we stop the spread of this disease by following social distance and maintaining order decorum and wearing masks and taking proper sanitization. So it's hard to maintain follow these guidelines so that we can save our life as well as others' life also. Thank you.
After this discussion, my opinion is that the coronavirus has destroyed the many countries' economies, and India is also in it. The nations are rebuilding their economies and life also in nation. Our government and the other countries' government have to work on the health sector now, and India has to give more budget to health sector in India because this is the main thing in health sector. Tourism is also affecting, but now we can see the tourism also.
But we as USA is are saying us that break your trade or please weaken their trade with Russia and Iraq, and they are also saying that purchase the oil from us, not to Iraq, and they are having a dispute in themselves. So India should not should have maintained their have to more focus on their sovereignty, and as they have done many points and taken many steps to go some outway from the US by taking more deals with Iraq and
in my opinion, in India and USA relationship are not like politician, defense, health and technology, space and cultural.
शौर्य भारत डिफेंस एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप